Want to use DeepSeek's powerful AI inside your n8n automations? Let me show you exactly how to connect it in seconds. First, go to platform.deepseek.com and log in to your account. Make sure you have enough credit balance. Then, open the Top Up menu and click on the API Keys section. Now, click Create New API Key. Name it something like n8, generate it, and make sure to copy the key immediately because
Don't forget to like and subscribe, so go ahead and hit that button!
You won't be able to see it again later. Next, switch to your n8n dashboard. Create a new workflow and add a chat trigger node. Then connect it to an AI agent node. On the agent node, click to add a model, search for DeepSeek, and select the DeepSeek Chat Model. Open the model settings and create a new credential. Paste your API key into the field, save your credentials, and wait for the success message. That's it. Your DeepSeek model is now fully connected to n8, and you can start building smart, automated workflows powered by advanced AI.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips.